How to ask for a letter of recommendation. Imagine you are applying for a job at your dream company. You need a letter of recommendation from a previous employer to increase your chances of getting hired. Here's how you can ask for one using analogies. Choose the right person. Think of your previous employer as a chef who has worked in many kitchens. You want to ask the chef who knows your cooking skills the best and can vouch for your abilities in the kitchen. Choose the person who knows your work well and can write a detailed and positive recommendation. Ask politely. Just like you would ask a friend for a favor, you should ask your previous employer for a letter of recommendation with kindness and respect. You can say something like, "I am applying for a job at my dream company, and I was wondering if you would be willing to write a letter of recommendation for me. I really enjoyed working with you, and I think your perspective would be valuable to the hiring team." Give them all the information they need. When you ask a chef for a recipe, you give them all the details they need to make the dish. Similarly, when you ask your previous employer for a letter of recommendation, give them all the information they need to write a strong letter. Provide them with your resume, a brief description of the job you are applying for, and any specific skills or experiences you would like them to highlight. Follow up. If you don't hear back from your previous employer after a week or two, follow up with them. Just like you would check in with a friend to see if they received your text message, you should check in with your previous employer to make sure they received your request for a letter of recommendation. You can say something like, "I just wanted to follow up on my request for a letter of recommendation. I hope everything is going well and that you have all the information you need to write the letter." Say thank you. When your previous employer writes a letter of recommendation for you, make sure to thank them. Just like you would thank a chef for cooking you a delicious meal, you should thank your previous employer for taking the time to write a letter of recommendation. You can send them a handwritten note or a thoughtful email to express your gratitude. You can ask for a letter of recommendation in a way that's polite, clear, and respectful. Good luck with your job application.